In this video, you'll be learning how to create a map menu that can be used to quick travel like this. First, make sure you have the latest version of plugin Pictures UI Creator installed. Let's begin by creating a parallel common event and assign a switch to it. I'll call this switch Stage Map Control. Next, add a conditional branch that checks for Shift button being triggered. If Shift being triggered, we show all necessary pictures. I'm going to show some pictures as travel buttons as well, so player can click on them to travel. This picture will have XY999, so it automatically shown at selected option that's set up via Wizard Selection command. After all pictures are shown, turn on a new switch called Stage Map Input, then turn off switch Stage Map Control. This means the first time Shift being triggered, it'll show the menu interface just once, then allow player to navigate. Now let's turn on switch Stage Map Control whenever you want, so it allows player to press Shift. Playtest the game, activate drag and drop mode, and start modifying your layout. Make sure the button's pictures ID are in the correct order. Call command Wizard Selection and assign the IDs of button pictures, then write down the grid layout. I have 6 buttons on the same line, so it'd be row 1, column 6. We should also pause player from moving via command Pause Events. With that, now we have a menu that can be navigated via keyboard gamepad and mouse/touch. Let's show some text window. The first text is Stage Map. The second text will display variable 50, which will be used for location name. Since the variable will be updated every time we select a location, make sure update text is true. Create a new parallel common event, assign the switch Stage Map Input to it. Create many conditional branch, picture action, picture ID, hover/click. We finished creating condition checking for when player hover on buttons. Now let's do the same for click. What's shown on screen is actually a wrong technique, but let's do it anyway, because mistakes will help you understand the coding logic. Change variable 50 to the text of the location you want whenever a picture is being hovered. It worked, but the green circle isn't moving to selected option. Let's fix that. Simply add a move picture with its ID and both XY to be 999. That's it. This will constantly update the green circle picture to be where it should be every frame. Now let's show a text when a location is clicked, something like, "You've clicked on X." You'll notice nothing shows up when you click on location buttons. That's due to the wrong technique I mentioned earlier. Here's the issue. The click checking is inside else of hover checking. That means it only works if we don't hover on a picture. But the thing is, in order to click on a picture, we have to hover our mouse on the picture or select the picture if via keyboard and gamepad. Therefore, we need to move click checks to outside of that else. That will make everything works. The clicking worked, so let's assign some opening animation to the pictures. Let's create a new parallel common event and assign to switch stage map input. This common event is for closing the map menu. We'll remove all pictures and text window when triggering Shift. Add a wait 35 frames to wait for ending animation of pictures, which we will assign later on. Now let's turn on Switch Stage Map Control to allow player pressing Shift to open map menu and disable Switch Stage Map Input to turn off all the hover, click and close checking. Assign ending animations. And with that, you've completed making a quick travel map. There's actually one issue left related to pause events command, but I'll let you figure that out. See you in the next video.